Okay, let me get around here. Okay, hey people, how you doing? I'm as tall as you, right? Yeah, almost. I'm almost as tall as you. I want to make sure I'm in the picture. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Okay. Yo, what up? We are gonna try and make, well, we're gonna make bread and butter pickles today, okay? I was at a little farmer market with my brother the other day, and I got these little bitty cute cucumbers. And they're the kind you make pickles out of. And I love bread and butter pickles, so I said, oh, let me see if I can make some. So that's what we're doing today. So, anywho, I guess the first thing you have to do, wash your veggies, and then how about these ones? Is that thick enough? That's good? Okay. Now we're cutting these about 1/8 of an inch thick.
Excuse me, I'm throwing the trash out and keeping the cat in.
Uh-huh.
Much to his dismay.
Has this got one of them hand protector things?
Yeah, you want it?
I better, because Lord knows I'll cut my hand all to crap.
I can't. I
You
am too
can't?
uncoordinated to use it. I had to use my hand. No, you can't go out.
Well, apparently I'm not coordinated.
I think it's a defect in the product myself. Now look, you can do it the rest of the way. Just move that out of the way. You just watch your hand. Bring it all the way back.
All the
If
way
I can,
back. All the way
if
back.
I try to remember to bring it all the way back.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
too close. That's too close. We'll make
Okay,
cucumber salad.
if it gets that close, go
I
home.
can't eat it. I have to wait till I get my body.
Cut it smaller.
So I bet you I can't eat this little bitty. Oh no! Wait a minute.
Try it.
Where's those other ones you had in there before? Well, you could read a freaking newspaper through this one.
Do you have your teeth in?
My top one
Well, where's your bottom one?
in my purse.
Oh. Well,
Well, I can't talk with a man. I can't eat with a man because I keep, whatever they do, fall out.
yeah, you got certain shit I can't remember.
Well, I can't get that one. All right.
Well, and I have to get a non-reactive bowl.
You know, it helps if you stick out your tongue while you're doing this kind of stuff. It gives you so much more control.
Or you suck your lips in, which is what you're doing, and
Oh,
biting your tongue.
Really?
Yes, that's what you're doing. You're sucking in your lips and biting your tongue.
Okay. Maybe I'm pressing too hard. Oh yeah. Okay. So I went to the grocery store today to get some garlic and some coriander. Almost fell over when I saw how much the coriander was. Holy crap. It was on sale, okay, people? On sale for $5.99. Holy shit, that better last. See, I just keep getting hung up.
Maybe you're pressing too
Mm.
low. Try instead of,
Can I do it this way? Like,
yeah, you can go it sideways. Try it. Whichever way is easiest for, and don't forget to turn it so that because it's gonna cut it at an angle. There you go.
this is a very dangerous thing I'm doing.
And yet Marlene loves it.
Marlene can cut the rest of it. Anywho. While I was at the store, I thought, well, you know, I'm going to go get some hummus. Because I like that for a snack, that and crackers. For a little thing like this big. $4.99. Are you kidding me? I'm not paying $4.99. So I thought, okay, I'll make my own freaking hummus. And so I went to find the tahini. That didn't work out too well. They didn't have anything like that. So I guess I'm going to have to go to Publix or Kroger or some grocery store in a big city and get that, because I'm not paying that much money for hummus, please. Especially now their trick is they're leaving a little hole at the bottom.
I know.
They're not even filling it. They're leaving it. It's like a Dairy Queen, except they don't fill it.
In reverse.
Yeah.
It's like a cone in reverse.
Mm.
Some of them we might be able to cut in half.
Yeah. Well, anyway, we'll be back. You don't need to see us possibly cut our hands all to shreds. So.
Or thumbs and fingertips.
Or thumbs and fingertips, which I've been known to do. So we'll be back. I forgot to turn it on before I added the salt.
Oh.
Way to go. Way to go. All right. I've added, okay, the recipe calls for 20 cups of sliced cucumber. Well, we had 12. So basically the rest of the ingredients we're going to cut in half. So
Or a little bit.
or a little
less than
bit,
half.
yeah. So it says just cover it with ice and then mix it. A lightly mix. I guess the salt's too. Get the moisture out of the.
Yes.
Okay, is that enough, you think?
No, it says cover it with ice. Just use the bag to cover. Do you have any more ice in the other freezer?
I have no idea. Okay, that's covering it. Okay, and then it says mix lightly. Okay, I mixed it lightly.
Sis, you're gonna have people going, oh my God, you just
stuck your hands in there with all of those cucumbers and onions
Look,
and
look.
oh, that feels so cool. That feels so good. Oh my God.
Yes, we did. We did that.
Well, we went there, people. We went there. Okay, now what we have to do is.
I rinsed mine off.
Oh, you did? Oh,
I did
didn't.
just now.
Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. Let's see. We got to let this set for 3 hours, and then we'll be back. Okay, guys. I had to halfway through the video. I had to change the way I was making the video because Marlene was asleep, and I didn't want to wake her up with me yakking in the kitchen. So I took pictures, and I'm going to explain in writing, printing, what you're supposed to do. So I hope this helps, and it seems to be, Sammy, it seems to be quite a money saver. So, you know, I know the spices can be a little much, but you only have to buy them like one time a year. Maybe you can go in with a friend and say, hey, have you got any of this? Yeah, I got that. Have you got this? Yeah, I've got that. Well, let's go together and it won't be so bad. So, anyway, you don't need a pressure canner. You wake Marlene up and you're in trouble. Oh, stop it. It's worse than trying to keep a kid quiet when someone's taking a nap. God. Anyway, you don't need fancy equipment. I did it with a spaghetti pan. It's pretty easy, and I'll explain with the pictures as I go along, okay? So you guys can save a lot of money doing it this way, and it's not hard. It's, if I can do it, anybody can do it, okay? So anyway, and I tasted it, and they taste good, and the cans are all pinged and everything. So I'm so excited. So yeah, I don't know how I want to work this. If I want to work this, no, I'll put this back later. So I'll be back. Okay, it's me again. So I hope you understood all that. And you guys take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo. Bye.